Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change lock screen clock style in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. So at first, if I lock my device and then double tap to unlock, then you have to touch and hold on the lock screen. Then you have to type your current pin or pattern. After that you can see this interface. Now if you want to change your clock style, just tap on clock. And that's it. From here you can customize your lock screen clock style. Here you can see so many options and you can choose any clock style as you like. If I select it, then you can change your clock color and you can choose any color as you like. Also from here you can set customize color. Then tap on done. And from here you can change your clock font style. You can set any font style as you like. Now if you tap here, then you can change your clock style position. You can also increase or decrease your clock size from here. And it's done. Then just tap on done and you can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can change lock screen clock style in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.